Do I really need a dash cam? I don't really use a dash cam. I have at times used the app on my phone to the screen recorder. The screen recorder will you can, some of them you can get an app that will act like a dash cam, and you use the front facing camera to record what's going on inside the car. Being in New York State, I don't have to disclose as long as I'm there and consent to it. I'm able to record my environment. I don't like doing that. So very rarely would I put it on. Can I tell you the circumstances? Yeah, if I'm driving at night, but guess what? The pictures wouldn't show up anyway. So what good would it be? You know what I mean? So I want to consider my recent experience. Again, I woke up one day, I could not get on the app for no reason whatsoever. Everything is going through my mind. For some reason, do they not like my YouTube channel? Did I do something wrong? Did I piss off a passenger somehow? I have a 4.98 rating, and I work very, 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 very hard for that. And I was confident I did absolutely nothing wrong. There was no reason why that anybody should have a problem with my service whatsoever. Well, it did turn out it was an Uber app issue and not an issue with me as a driver. And I'm very fortunate with that. And I think that my ability to be absolute persistent was key in trying to make this resolve quickly. Because, you know, I wonder, I read a lot on Facebook saying, you know, how they go weeks and months and not have resolution. I just don't see how that's even workable, how they sustain themselves as a company doing that, and they're still screaming for drivers. Are you kidding me? But there's one thing for sure. Had I had a dash cam, I would have been 100% absolute proof, and anxiety would not have been as great as it was. I would have known that there's absolutely nothing that nobody ever could accuse me of, because there's no reason I don't never give anybody. I am the most cut and dry vanilla driver that you've ever met, and that's how I maintain my rating. 4.98, pretty steady, folks. My car's playing, the radio's off. It looks just like it came out of the showroom because, and I don't mean that it's new, it means that it's clean, it's empty. There's no personalization in it whatsoever. I'm just a driver picking you up and dropping you off. It's what I do for a living. It's my business, okay? I know that's a controversial issue all in and of itself, and if you got a problem with what I'm saying, let me know in the comments below. But I do know, had I had that, I wouldn't be worrying. It would have been, I would have taken them at their word that this is an app issue. They weren't trying to pull the wool over my eyes in any way. I don't know. But I'm not going to put myself in jeopardy any longer with any risks of being deactivated. I am completely off the road until I get a dash cam in my car. There's just no way around it. I did a lot of research. On these dash cams. Now, a lot of you know that I do much more than just the Uber. I have a couple of other things that we got going on. We do driving series where we drive around and do touring videos. So a dash cam would actually be very beneficial. So I narrowed it down, did a lot of shopping. This is what I came up with. The Blackvue DS900S, it's a 2-channel. What is the 2-channel? It has 2 cameras. One's for the front, one's for the back. Now I'm going to try to show you this little video thingy here that I did. Let's see. Oh, let's see if we can get you a bigger screen. There we go. Let's get rid of that banner for a second. So this is what I got. I ordered it. It's supposed to be the top of the line. Very nice. I ordered it on September 1st. Was shocked that a day or two later that it was supposed to be here. I was even more shocked. I mean, this is nice. I'm going to stop right here. You can see that it has 2 cameras. The one on the top, I can't use my mouse, but it has the 2 cameras. The one on the top is the front facing that looks out through the windshield and out onto the road. The one on the back is meant to go to the facing the back of the road. But being as creative as I am, since the front does its own, has its own audio, it records the cabin as well. If you just turned that one camera around, instead of having it facing towards the road, you face it towards the back of the heads of the passengers. So now we've got of full coverage inside and outside of the car. I don't recommend these guys right yet because here's why. All right. Let me just go back and take a look. This is a beautiful camera. The specs and stuff on it is crazy. But I want you to see this in big screen. Okay. And you know, Blackvue, Blackboxmycar folks, they're no small chump company. Okay. They're pretty big. And I get this. Do you see this? This is what I get in the mail. So, and then when I open it up, expecting to find a big fancy camera, a $500 camera, I get this. Do you see this, folks? Blackvue, Blackboxmycar. Are you kidding me? This is not the way to get off on a good foot with somebody with a YouTube channel. It's really not. Okay. I'm a little disappointed. In all fairness, I made a complaint, and they are sending out a replacement for this. Now, let's go back and take a really quick look at this camera for a second. Okay. Let's give you a bigger screen. I want to see if it'll go there for you and show you when it'll tell you that. When you're looking at the description, of course, this is on Amazon too, right? It's not going to show you, I don't think, but it specifically said, "Is this item discontinued?" The specific answer is no, and I have screenshots of it in my other stuff, so I can give that if anybody's interested. But don't you know that I just found out? I went to look around. I'm getting information, trying to get ahead of this as much as I can. I'm really excited about getting this in my car, doing some great video work. That now the DR900S has been discontinued. It's now the DR900X. Blackvue, are you kidding me? I mean, really? Blackboxmycar, are you kidding me? This is, you know, I'm finding a tough time with this as a professional company. Flat out, I'm just letting you know. Let me get back out of here. Okay? So, I don't know what you're going to do to make it right. The pressure is on because when that thing gets here, it's supposed to be here between the 8th and the 13th of September now. We were going to do a live show with that camera because it's supposed to be able to stream live. We were really looking forward to it. And I still am. It's a great camera if it lives up to its expectations. And we're going to put it through its hoops, folks, and boy, it better. But I don't know, Blackvue. We'd love to sponsor a video for you. But, you know, not like this. If this is how your service is going to be, you know, we don't want it. But if you want to discuss this matter more with us, you can contact us at info@butchieboom.com or P.O. Box 46, Greenfield Center, New York, 12833. We'll be more than happy to discuss it with you. But I'm quite disappointed, and I'm going to urge all of the viewers, hold off. Hold off. Don't buy this thing yet. It sounds like a great camera, and it can give us great protection as drivers. Hold off. Wait. We're going to show you. I'm going to unbox this baby right from the very beginning, and I'm going to show you guys probably live right here. Whatever. In our very first commercial, for some reason, I screamed this out. We have to make the best of what we got. I'm going to make that as a little slogan. So we're going to make it the best of what we got. Join us live every Friday here at 7 o'clock. Help us get the word out. Spread us, share us, like us. Put us on your toast. Just don't put us on your toast list, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It really does mean a lot. Don't forget, if you get a chance, check out Grammarly. The link is in the bottom of the video, the description. Check that out. Also, one other thing I told you, I want to tell you about the music. I almost forgot about the music, okay? We're going honky-tonkin', people. Honky-tonkin'. We're going to be reviewing the greatest honky-tonk music that was ever made, starting from the 1950s moving forward. We're going to start doing that every Saturday night at 8 o'clock. Which Saturday are we going to do? I was going to do it next week, but Next week is Willie. So we're going to try to stream live from Willie. I can't guarantee it. I don't know. So more than likely, it's going to be the week after. Let's see if I can give you a date. It is going to be Saturday the 18th at 8 p.m. Butchie Boom Reviews. Honky Tonk, the golden age of Honky Tonk. You got to be there. Check us out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and be safe on the road.